All right, financial math classes. Today we're talking about determining APR. This is our last section on loans. We've talked about what APR is in other sections. I believe like in 8.3 or something, we talked about APR. APR is the annual percentage rate. That's basically just the interest rate you'll be paying on a loan. So if you watch TV, you see a car commercial, they'll say things like, $0 down, 0% APR for the first 6 months or whatever. They're talking about the interest rate. All right, so this is interest. Banks or lenders will tell you what the APR is on the loan. This is we're looking into how you can calculate it out, but life advice: don't take out a loan that you don't know the APR for, the interest rate for. That's just bad money decisions there. So make sure you know the APR before you take out a loan. Anyway, this is number 3 from the worksheet. We have Ellen, who purchased the car in the ad. She made a down payment of $775. She financed the remainder at $331.16 per month for 24 months. What is the APR? So if you look here, she is buying this used 4-door sedan. She's purchasing it for $7,775. Right? It's on sale, getting about $1,200 off. First thing, what we're going to do is calculate how much, or the amount financed. So we're going to calculate a lot here. So the amount financed, let me get out my pen. So here, we'll do it over here. Amount financed is just going to be the price of the car, $7,775, minus the down payment of $775. So she is financing $7,000 to pay for this car. All right. The monthly payment is calculated at, and this is something we did before, $331.16 per month for 24 months. So what we're going to do now is calculate out the total repaid, and that is just going to be the monthly payment, $331.16 times the number of months she's paying, 24 months. So $331.16 times 24 is $7,947.84. All right. So the finance charge, last thing we need to do before we calculate out the APR, the finance charge, finance charge is going to be the total repaid minus the amount financed. So she is paying an extra $947.84 to pay this off monthly for 2 years. Right. Here we're going to calculate out the finance charge per $100, and once we have that, we can use that in this table to find the APR. All right. So you're the $100, so it's always going to be 100 times the finance charge. So we found that over here. All right. So that's going to be $947.84 divided by the amount financed. I want that in a different color. So that's 7,000. That's going to be on the bottom here. So when you do this in your calculator, it's probably easier to do this part first. So do 947.84 divided by 7,000, and then times it by 100. So that comes out to 13.54. So this is the finance charge. I'm just going to call it FC per $100. It's 13.54. So for every 100, what this amount means, for every $100 that you financed, you're paying back an extra $13.54. All right. So again, if you only financed $100, you'd be paying back $113.54. So for every $100, you pay back an extra $13.54. What we're going to do here, we look at the number of months is 24. We find the $13.54, and then we go up to find the APR. So the APR using the table is 12.5%, not 8. I meant to write a percent. There we go. So APR is 12.5%. If we look, hey, we got it right. Perfect. Yeah, that should get you through the rest of the homework. And we'll see you guys next time. I believe we're talking about buying vehicles or something. Can't remember. We'll figure it out.